Alright, so we're working on these two mirrored pieces here. We're making two pieces, a right and a left, for the top sides on the inside of the car. Um, what we'll need is two templates. We need a template for this bottom shape and one for the top plate, top of the piece. And we could get by with just one template shape, but because of this curve here, I'm going to make a template of the top as well, so that we know how much material to remove after uh, we make the full size pieces. So here's a picture of the top template, and this is an important line here because we'll be sanding, bandsawing, or grinding that back shape, that tapered back shape off of here. And this is an important picture because this bottom template has to be made to this contour where you can see that this part of this joint actually extends out. And so we have to account for that in the blank that we're making, because this wood down here has to be removed for the bracket to fit properly. So this template reflects this shape here. And here it is laid out, ready to go into the bandsaw. And this is why it's so important to make sure that the top and the bottom and the sides are planed and jointed and parallel, because that's how you get a 90-degree cut on the bandsaw. For otherwise, this cut would be off. And here's a little trick. Now that we've run this shape through the bandsaw and cut it out, we have to cut the shape of this piece at 90 degrees from this face that's vertical right now. We have to flip this down onto this side, and so we save the cutoff pieces to provide support by taping them on, in the correct position, relative to when this shape was cut out, and that'll provide our support, and we can have our pencil markings on the top of this piece after it's laid on its side. So this is what we want to end up with, a right and a left.